Welcome to the channel. Today, we'll be exploring the highly anticipated 2026 Honda Pilot, a flagship SUV that promises to deliver a perfect combination of practicality, technology, and style. The front design of the 2026 Honda Pilot exudes a bold and modern appearance. The grille has been reimagined with a honeycomb pattern that enhances its aggressive stance, while the iconic Honda emblem sits prominently at the center. Sleek LED headlights with a sharp design provide excellent visibility and a futuristic look. The rear of the 2026 Honda Pilot continues the theme of modernity and sophistication. The LED taillights feature a wraparound design, seamlessly integrating into the body lines for a cohesive look. A sporty rear bumper houses dual exhaust outlets, emphasizing the Pilot's performance-driven nature. Step inside the 2026 Honda Pilot, and you'll find a cabin that prioritizes both comfort and technology. Premium materials, such as soft touch leather and brushed metal accents, create a luxurious atmosphere. The 2026 Honda Pilot is expected to come with a refined 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering approximately 285 horsepower and paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The 2026 Honda Pilot is expected to have a starting price of around $40,000 for the base model, while fully loaded trims may go up to $55,000. Honda is likely to unveil the Pilot in late 2025, with availability in dealerships expected by early 2026. Its release is highly anticipated, and demand is expected to be strong.